How to fix unfortunately Gmail has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Gmail and click on it. Now all you need to do, once you're here, click force stop and then go to storage and clear cache, and that will fix your problem easily. And but if that doesn't fix it, now just let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store and check if there's an update here, and update your Gmail, and also update, type here services and scroll until you find this one, Google services, this one, and then click update. And now restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.